Hey, someone just punched me while standing in this section. If you're man enough, own up to it now, bro. Who just punched me in my back? Who just punched me, bro? Who punched me? If you men don't smoke, I'm outside, bro. What's wrong with you, man? Punching a man in the back, in the masjid. Who was it? It's one of you men here. A bunch of jokers, bro. Grow up. The Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam didn't have a father. How about that? Oh no. And you go on their profile, you know these sisters, you go on their profile, everything they're doing on their profile goes against the law of Allah. And you have the audacity to come and give me advice. Don't worry, sister, I will take your advice. Why are you doing it to your body that doesn't belong to you? Brothers don't want to get earrings that imitate the women. Tattoos. Brother nowadays is even dyeing his hair. What's next, yeah? Athlete, what's next? What trend are you following with your tight clothes? If you are a man and you raise your hands on your parents, Allah is my witness, and I'm going to say this in front of the Imam out of respect for him. Allah is my witness. I'm a person who break your jaw. I saw a mother had to identify her body of her son. The head was gone. The body was gone. There was only a shoulder and the arm.